All right, you guys, it is current day is modest this weekend, so I have to prepare the Mustang for modest. My car is going to be in modest, so but yeah, where are all the Powercruise videos? Like, didn't you go to Powercruise and race a bunch of people? Yes, I did. We got like 4 days of videos and content to go through, and like I haven't even uploaded any of my proving ground videos either, so super behind. But Mustang did break, kind of. My tire deflated on the track, so we got 2 new tires in the front, so that was kind of a rude awakening. But we did get some good runs in. Like I said, I don't know how I'm going to upload these videos or these runs on a Powercruise, because like I have hundreds of runs literally that I did out there. So I got a lot of things to edit. I just wanted you guys to be patient. Bear with me here. I know we're super behind like always, but Mustang is going to modest. We'll be at modest. Yeah, just enjoyed the first day. This is like day 0 of Powercruise and day 1. So we just unloaded, unpacked, went and said hi to camp and whatnot. So I didn't include 1 or 2 races, but yeah, bear with me here, you guys. This would be a day 1 of Powercruise. Enjoy. We are on the road finally for Powercruise, you guys. I took today off, and unfortunately, we are still leaving like as if I went to work today. Like, can you believe it? So I'm kind of glad that I took today off, but like we aren't leaving until like I basically get off work. So whatever, it all worked out anyways, right? Got a long, good sleep in, and we're ready to party hard and drive hard, and we'll see you guys up at Powercruise, man. Hopefully Mustang gets up there alive. We got 2 5-gallon jugs up there. I'm gonna fill 1 up at Casey's up at Brainerd. So hopefully nothing happens up there at that gas station, because I just too many errands. I couldn't fill up the other jug at Hy-Vee down here. So we'll see you guys up there. And of course, you know, we got all the camera gear here. We got the Mickey D's. We're staying hydrated. I don't know if we're gonna be drinking much. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't really drink. I just drink E85 because that thing is expensive. But Mustang gets about 170 to the tank today. We'll see. I'm probably gonna get up there and be empty, you know, because it's 100-some miles up there. So not too bad. I wish I would have left a little earlier, but it is what it is. All right, so we made it BRR. I didn't know I had to go over there, that little tent over there, but yeah, we passed there. We got the wristband. We got all the good stuff. Yeah, so we're just gonna go through. I think they said a driver's briefing or something, driver's talk. So then we gotta see what's up. So yeah, dang, okay, there's a lot of people here, as you can see. Kind of curious where we are. Dang, this is kind of far from everything. Far from the condos, that's for sure. All right, so we get done with the driver's briefing. That was pretty cool. Let's just go look at some cars out here. Yeah, I seen this CTSV. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. I really want, I want another one. Let's look how sick that looks. Oh, I don't think this is Black Diamond, but it's still pretty cool. What's that? Whole Viper. Oh, BMW. Oh, it's a Durango Hellcat. It's a Supra. Oh, look at this Supra. Got a big wang. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty dope. And look at, we got another Mustang over here. It's a GT500. What's up? Hey, Mustang. I like it. Y'all, we seen the ratified guys. They're like, let's see who else is out here. We seen the ratified. So they got GTRs. You got the RS3 up here. You got the B5S slows up here. You got the Evo. Go towards the Evo. Ah, there he is. Where? Where's that Trey Moore guy?
Oh, right there.
Trey Moore, get closer. You got a haircut. Get closer, dude. You got.
Right
Zoom in. They got a Hellcat golf cart, you guys. That's what's up. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Look at this, you guys. We got Trey Moore working out here. I think it's his first time working. Look at that. Detachable steering wheel. Oh my gosh. That's such a cool color. Oh my god, look at those canards. Oh. Look at this. IMS 850, you guys. You made it out here. Look at that. Wow. It is officially day one of Powercruise, you guys. And you know what we gotta do? We gotta put the drag wheels on, the rear tires on. So we're gonna wake everyone up with the Mustang. Not like that generator wasn't keeping everyone up all night, but let's get cold started. I'll sound that loud. We are on the way to go get some breakfast at the bar, you guys. They got some pretty good food. All right, we're just riding in the back of a golf cart, you guys. Hey. Well, yep. Go get some breakfast. Whew. You gotta hold on, dear life here. SRT4, big slicks. We gotta run them. We gotta run them. Look, so we are gonna go to the wheelie bar here, guys, and go grab some breakfast. We got coffee to start the day. Oh, look at that. That's so sick. Yeah. Oh, that one looks pretty fast. Dang, my man's got a new truck already. Look at this. Holy smokes. What else you got hiding over here?
It's this.
There's the loud Corvette again. Oh my gosh. I need that blow-off valve.
On 3.
So this is one of the lines, you guys, general mission. Nothing wrong with it. We gotta look at this track. Is that track hawk?
Oh, is it?
No.
You see the wheat? You see the brake calipers?
Oh, they're not yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, you got a GoPro up there. Look at it.
Oh, you got one like you.
Yeah, it's got one like me. I'll show him what's up. This setup's alright. We got a super. Oh, it's over here. Oh man.
Alright, anyone want pink slips? Let's go.
We're gonna try running this BMW today. I really want to get this running. I want to run this one too. There you go. It's so sick. Guys, back to catastrophic failures here. So we swapped on the stock front ones, unfortunately, because my other ones deflated. I don't know why this one deflated, but yeah, we were taking around the corner. Oh my gosh, all the ghetto wraps peeling. But we went around the corner and it like instantly like deflated, so it probably got super hot. So we put the stockers on, unfortunately, so hopefully nothing bad happens to the rears. You know what I mean? So it's gonna take it easy. It's first day out and we already have issues, so working things out. Belt's still on, thank goodness. We did a couple passes and go back out there, try it again.
okay. I thought you were talking about CSI.
He finally came around, like, what the heck? So at nighttime, people just get on their ATVs, golf carts, and then they just go drive around. We're driving obviously the wrong way, but we don't care. We're rebels like that.